came together, and I still don't know how I feel. Sometimes I wish just talk to me.
Maybe it's make-believe, maybe it can't be true. I try to tell myself I'm not in love with you. Thought that I knew everything. I guess I don't know anything, yeah. I get emotional and hypothetical, wondering if there are all kinds of things I'm not supposed to know. I try my best to let it go, let it go. Baby, then you bring me back, bring me back. You leave my feet up the ground, keep me spinning around and around. I don't